Now let's learn with ABC books. A is for apple. B is for banana. C for cherry. D is for dog. E is for envelope. F is for fish. G is for grapes. 8 is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for mouse. N is for nose. O is for orange. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for ring. S is for snake. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for bat. W is for witch. X is for Xmas. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra.